Yo, what's going on, people? It's man like voiceover, aka Tech Jamo, inside the building. Hey, listen, I got invited to one Acer event down in central London, Shoreditch areas kind of thing, innit? Because they were dropping some new gems, some new tech for your head top. Acer were even dropping bikes. So big up to them, Acer and Chili Bob PR, for hooking that up and inviting us down. Now, they did have a few different laptops there, ranging from some productivity stuff up to the latest and greatest gaming laptops, the Predator range and them things there. Now, in casual fashion, I would usually review and video every single laptop that was available at the event, but it looks like I was so gassed about one particular laptop that took up the most of my camera footage, fam, and that was the Triton 14. And I did tell them straight away that is the laptop I am most interested in. Yeah, so this 14-inch laptop, yeah, 16:10 aspect ratio, 2560 by I think 1600, basically 2K plus resolution in it, with that kind of screen ratio, 165 hertz refresh rate. On top of that, RGB keyboard, we're talking 13th gen i7 processors, up to GeForce RTX 4070 NVIDIA graphics inside the thing as well, and also up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 megahertz. Now that's a lot of specs, cuz. Now bear in mind, I did say it's got the NVIDIA RTX 4070 in it. You can get a lower model which has the 4050 in it as well, which, to be honest, I'm also kind of interested in, because I want to know what kind of performance gain we have in this RTX 40 series over the previous 30 series, especially because this laptop in particular has a lower TDP than normal kind of thing. So obviously, you know, they're trying to keep it cool, they're trying to give you that long battery life. You know, they've kind of gone max Q with the RTX 4050 and 4070 in there, so you're not going to get as much as you would get in a big beefy gaming laptop, but in that small form factor, you should get quite a lot. It kind of reminds me of the Lenovo Slim 7 Pro X that I checked out and reviewed last year, which had a similar i7 12th gen situation plus an RTX 3050 in there, also max queued out, but I don't think Nvidia are calling it max Q yet again because they want to trick people, but that's none of my business. Now, looking at ports and buttons and keyboard and mouse pad, all of that from a first touch looks quite decent. Obviously, you got your Thunderbolt 4 in there, you got HDMI 2.1, so you can get your 4K 120 pop in, USB 3.2 Gen 2 on the other USB-C ports. Yeah, it looks pretty much decent, but more importantly, also has a micro SD card, so it looks like it's catering towards the content creator squad. You understand? You know, like that, fam. I'm definitely interested. I need to touch this one still, see what it's really about. Other honorable mentions go to the big beefier version of the Triton 14, and that is the Triton 17X, fam. This laptop literally just had it all. Like, think about everything I said about the Triton 14, maximize it by 10,000. You got bigger screen, refresh rate is there, you got RTX 4090 situation going on in there. It's just silly powerful. It's basically desktop replacement, and although these laptops are not necessarily lightweight, the footprint that they have means that they can easily be carried to and from wherever you need to carry them. You understand, fam? So not necessarily light, but easy to fit into any bag you need to put them into. And yo, fam, I need to touch some of these. I can't lie. There was another laptop there. There was the 3D thing as well, which man reviewed last time. I reviewed the screen of it as well. Put that in the link in the description section below. But yeah, guys, just a quick overview, quick hands-on with the Triton 14 and the other laptops that are there. I can't lie, the Triton 14, it stole the show for me, guys. Acer, yo, you know where I live, innit? Send that to me quick, please. Thank you. All right.